Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm gonna do the unboxing of a Realme 99 smartphone. This is the latest smartphone by Realme. So quickly open it up and start the unboxing. Okay, so here if we open the box, here we get this small yellow box. You can see a great story since the first sleep Realme. Okay, let's see what we get inside it. So guys, here you can see, here we get the SIM ejector tool, and here's some reading manuals. Keep this aside, and this is the transparent back case you get in the box. Okay, keep this aside. And guys, you can see here's the phone itself. You can see here the font itself. It is in a prism black color. The prism blue color is also available. Okay, keep this aside. Let's see what else we get inside the box. So guys, here we get the USB type C to type A cable. And guys, this is the 33-watt fast charger you get in the box, which is a really good thing. You can see. Okay, so that's all we get. Keep this aside and come to the phone. So you can see here's the phone itself. It is in a prism black color. Okay, quickly remove its plastic cover. So here you can see the phone. Okay, if we talk about the weight, it is 8.4 mm and the weight of the phone is 190 gram. Here you can see. And if we talk about the design, you can see guys, it has 8-layer optical coating. Yes, it has a dazzling visual effect. Here you can see it has 3-dimensional prism texture design over. You can see, which is looking really good. And if we talk about its back and prism, it is made by plastic. But if we talk about the design, you can see the design is looking really good. You can see it is easily handleable phone in hand. Here you can see looking really good phone. Okay, now if we talk about its physical overview, so in top here you can see we get the secondary microphone over there, and on this side you can see we get the side mounted fingerprint with the power on off key. And on bottom here you can see we get the guys, it has a dual stereo speaker. This is the secondary speaker over there available, and this is the USB type C port, and this is the secondary microphone over there available, and this is the 3.5 mm headphone jack over there. And here we get the volume up and down key, and this is the SIM tray. So now quickly eject it. So you can see another good thing, it has triple card slot. You can insert 2 nano SIM and 1 micro SD card, which is a really good thing. And here on back, you can see on here back it has the Realme branding over there. And here we have the triple rear camera setup with LED flash over there. It has 50 megapixel, 2 megapixel plus 2 megapixel camera setup over there on back. You can see. Okay, and if we talk about the front, here we get the 16 megapixel front camera, and guys, it has 6.6 inches full HD plus 90 Hz ultra smooth display you get in the phone. Here you can see. Okay, so that's all. Now quickly boot this up and set up the device. Okay, by the time it boots up and I set up, I will give you its configuration overview. It has a Snapdragon 680 flagship 6nm octa-core processor. It has 6.6 inches 90 Hz full HD plus IPS LCD display which supports 5-level refresh rate. It has dual nano SIM with dedicated micro SD card slot. Support it has 128 6GB, 128 4GB and 64 4GB internal storage variant available with UFS 2.1 speed. It has triple rear camera setup, 50 megapixel f1.8 aperture, 2 megapixel macro and 2 megapixel with B and W lens. It has 16 megapixel f2.1 aperture front camera. It has 5000 mAh battery which supports 33-watt fast charging. It runs on Realme UI 2.0 based on Android 11, and for much better security, it has side mounted fingerprint and face unlock. So as you can see, I have set up the device, and this is the main screen of Realme 99 smartphone. You can see it has 6.6 inches full HD plus 90 Hz ultra smooth display. You can see. and I already set it to 90 hertz, you can see. And by default it's come auto. You need to set it to 90 or 60 hertz. So as you can see guys, you can see the display is running really ultra, it is ultra smooth, you can see. Yep, no doubt, you can see the display is running really ultra smooth, you can see. There's no doubt, you can see. Okay, and if we slide from bottom, you can see we get the app drawer, and if we slide from top here, we get the notification center and helpful quick settings, and here we get the brightness adjustment setting over there available. It has 480 nits typical brightness, as you can see. Okay, and now if we go in settings, so let's check this storage. So as you can see, 19.9 GB used out of 64 GB, and many important information are also available there, you can see. And here's the clean feature is also available, you can see. On top you can see the clean feature is also available, which is a really good thing. And if we go in about phone, so here you can see the device name Realme UI version 2.0, and the Android version is Android 11. And the Android security update is of January 5, 2022. And here we also get the device storage, you can see 44.1 GB available out of 64 GB. And guys, you can see Qualcomm Snapdragon 680, yes, it has a 686 nm flagship processor, which is small in size but big in power. Here we get the ultra powerful performance. Okay, and here one more thing, it has a dynamic RAM expansion technology. You can see you can expand the 4 GB up to 3 GB and 6 GB up to 5 GB, which is a really good thing for smoother experience. It has dynamic RAM expansion technology, which will give you the smoother experience. Okay, as you can see guys, the phone running really smooth, you can see the phone running really ultra smooth, you can see the performance is really smooth, there's no doubt. You can see the ultra smooth performance you get in the phone, you can see. Yeah. Okay, and if we talk about its camera, here are some shots I took with Realme 9i smartphone in different lighting conditions with different modes. So after the camera, if we talk about the phone, you can see guys the design. Here you can see the design is looking really good. You can see here we get the three-dimensional prism texture over there, you can see, which is looking really good. And if we talk about the navigation, it has GPS, GLONASS, Beidou and Galileo. And if we talk about the sensor, it has light, magnetic induction, proximity and acceleration sensor available. Mostly all type of sensors and navigations are available in this phone. And as you can see the UI, yep, if we talk about, it is ultra smooth, you can see. Okay, now after it, if we talk about its security guys, it has side mounted fingerprint and face unlock. So now quickly check this out, what's the performance. So if we talk about the side mounted fingerprint, here you can see I put finger and it unlock, I put and it unlock. Okay, try it in another way, I put it and it unlock. Okay guys, as you can see, here you can see, just look at close, I put and it unlock. Yep, it is ultra fast, you can see. I put and it quickly unlock. It has ultra fast speed, here you can see. I put and it quickly unlock the phone, you can see. And if we talk about its face unlock, quickly check this out. Okay, I'm C, and you can see it unlock the phone. I'm not seeing a C, and yep, it quickly unlocked the phone. Okay, now phone look at me and unlock itself, you can see. So both performance are really fast and responsive, you can see. I put the finger and it quickly unlock the phone. A C, and you can see it quickly unlock the phone. So you can see guys, both are really ultra fast. You know, the performance is ultra fast of side mounted fingerprint, and face unlock performance is really very fast. So guys, this is the unboxing of Realme 9i smartphone. Guys, thanks for watching. If you have any particular question about this device, let me know in comment section below. Please like, share, subscribe and click on bell icon for latest updates.